In a vast, tranquil sea, where the waters met the sky, lived a humble cormorant named Cora. Known for her wisdom and grace, she was admired by all creatures of the deep. One day, a tempest brewed over the sea, its roar echoing through the underwater kingdom. Cora, sensing the danger, felt a heavy burden in her heart. The storm threatened to destroy their peaceful abode. As the storm raged, Cora pondered her options. She could fly to the surface and ask the sky spirits for help, or she could dive deep and seek shelter in the safe caves beneath the sea. Each choice weighed heavy on her, but she knew that her decision would affect not just her, but her entire community. Cora chose to dive deep, a decision that seemed reckless to many. The storm was fierce, but Cora, with her keen sight, found a hidden cave, where the storm's fury was but a distant roar. In the calm of the cave, Cora prayed to the sea spirits, asking for strength and guidance. She promised to share the knowledge and the peace she found with her fellow creatures. As she surfaced, the storm had calmed. Cora, with newfound wisdom, led her community to the safe haven she had discovered. Her peers marveled at her bravery and her wisdom, learning that sometimes, the most challenging paths can lead to the greatest rewards.